Hey, you guys, happy Monday morning. I wanted to send a video of what you're going to be working on today, even though we're going to be meeting soon on Google Meet. I just don't know how it's going to go and how it's going to work. So I wanted to get this out for you so you guys could watch it. I hope you guys all had a great weekend. My weekend was a bit stressful trying to figure out all the changes that the school district is asking us to do. Yeah, it wasn't very relaxing, but that's okay. That's all part of the process, right? But here we are, Monday, starting new. So let's go over the activities for today. The first thing you're going to see in the Hello Monday, when you go to weekly assignments, click on Hello Monday, is you're going to see watch this link. It's for a little presentation about understanding how to find literary language, and we'll go over that in the Google class today. But if we weren't able to do it, or you weren't able to make the Google Meet class today, please watch that video presentation, because you will need to know about literary language to do your response today. So underneath that, you'll see that my section is in blue. It says Lisa's class, and you need to go to Epic, getepic.com. I have sent your parents multiple emails to sign up to getepic.com, to sign up for books and to be able to get onto the website. About half of your families haven't signed you up for it yet. So I need you to go tell your parents that I've sent a couple emails to join Get Epic. You have to join it through that email, and also to be able to get it for free. So what you're going to do is you're going to join Get Epic, and I just want you to kind of look around and look at some of the books that are available, and I want you to pick a book and go ahead and read it online from Get Epic. You get to choose. It's your book of your choice. I want you to do any stop and jots of when you saw any literary language. And you will know what literary language is if you were on the Google Meets, and also if you look at that link called Recognizing Literary Language. I'd like you to do a stop and jot, write down some of the literary language that you saw, things that made you feel, ways that the author used words to convey meaning, to make comparisons, to really kind of build a visual, used words in a different way. So you're going to stop and jot that onto a piece of paper, and that is an assignment that's due for today. For Writer's Workshop, we are going to be starting our opinion writing, and today you are going to watch the link on writing opinions, and we are going to start this off by writing a review. So I want you to be thinking about something that you really love or something that you really hate, and write a review for it. It could be a restaurant, it could be a book, it could be a movie. These are all reviews that people do and that they publish for people to read. So I want you to think about something that you would like to review, a restaurant that you may like, and all the reasons why. So, because we're going to be starting to go into this type of persuasive writing. You're going to want to watch that link. We'll also go over it in the Google Meet. And then you're going to use the graphic organizer that's linked there. It's called Review Writing Graphic Organizer for Lesson 1. And you're going to download that, or if you don't have a printer, go ahead and write it out on a piece of paper. And what you'll be doing with that is you will be thinking about the thing that you want to review. And I want you to name 5 things that you really, really love about the thing that you're reviewing, or if you want to write a really bad review, if that's kind of where you want to go, 5 things that you really, really don't like about the thing that you're reviewing. This is just a graphic organizer. It's a stop and jot section for you to just kind of write some notes down before we move on to the next phase of our review. This part of the writing is actually similar to what you did in first grade. In fact, we're doing a review right now of the reviews that you did in first grade. After that, there's a phonics video called the AW spelling of Fast Tracks Phonics. So I want you to watch that video as well. That's part of your responsibilities for today. As we move into math, math, there's a whole bunch of stuff for you guys to do today. There's all sorts of fluency activities that the district is asking us to do, you guys to do. And so you'll see a lot of links on the Monday Monday math activities. So you want to spend about 10 minutes doing these activities. And if they don't work for you, try something else. There are some games on there. I don't know much about these games. Bunny Times, Digital Cards, Digit Top It. So you're going to want to do those fluency activities for about 10 minutes. And then after that, you're going to want to do the practice, the skip counting by 5 and 10. It is not due to turn into the Google Classroom, but it is something that you should do as a practice. The thing that you will turn in today for the math assignment is our problem of the day number 1. Now it's going to look similar. It's going to look familiar to you because it's about using coins and coming up with different ways to make up a certain amount of money. So that should look familiar to you. There are some great questions there. It's a 2-pager. Today's problem of the day. So you'll need to do that. You can either print it out or you can do it on a piece of paper, take a photo of it, and turn it into the assignments. And then once you're done with that, we are ahead of the 2 other classes in Zearn, so we are letting them catch up so we can all be on the same page. So you'll see the little blue part there that says Lisa's class, and I want you to do 20 minutes of work on happy numbers. So I can see who's signed up for happy numbers and who hasn't. So if you have not signed up for happy numbers, you'll need to do that this week. Have your parents send me an email. I'll send them your password and your username again, but it should be, I think, for everybody, your first and last name all together, no capitals for your username, and the password is Darumadol, all lowercase, DARUMADOLL. So, because right now I only have about half of the class on happy numbers, but that's what we're going to be doing this week. I've gotten a lot of feedback that people really love happy numbers. You take a pre-test, and it kind of situates you whereabouts how you do on that test, and then you work from there. So that's it for math. They do have a fun geography lesson that they put up, and it's about learning about continents and the continent we live on. So I want you to go ahead and watch those videos to learn a little bit more about the geography and about continents. And then you also want to look at the PE activity calendar and go to Mr. Cohn's section and do some PE activities. You can find that on the 2nd grade website. If you click on PE resources, click on Mr. Cohn activities. And that is what we have planned for today. That is Monday. I'm hoping to see you guys, or I'm hoping I have seen you guys on the new Google Meet. We'll see how it works. I'm not sure. So I hope you guys all have a really great day, and I miss you all, and I'm hoping that we can get back to where things are normal, where we can all see each other really well on screen. All right, take care. Miss you.